Hey, this is Drew, everybody, and welcome to Doodle with Drew. We got a great doodle for you today. I hope you're ready to do this. You're going to need a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. It doesn't matter what you use, long as you're having fun and doing it, alright? So here we go. We got a great lion head for you today. Alright, we're going to start up here at the top of the paper. And we are going to draw a nice short curved line. Okay. From there, we're going to go diagonally down. I'm going to make a mark right about here. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just so we kind of know where we're headed. Alright, we're going to start here. We're going to do that diagonal line going down. And another diagonal line going down on this side. And then we're going to cap it off with another wonderful curved line. There it is. Let's jump up here and do the lion's ears. So we're going to start right here on the top of the head. We're going to do a curved line going all the way around, and it touches the side of the head. And we're going to double that up. So we're going to draw a smaller one on the inside. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Now my ear is a little bit smaller than the other one, but that's okay. Maybe the lion's hearing some prey out in the distance. Let's work on its eyes. So we're going to draw nice big eyes. And I just do circles. Now you can do your eyes however you like. You don't have to do the same eyes I do. And we're going to do a curved line. And I like to color those in. Okay. Then we're going to add the nose. For the nose, we're going to go in between the two eyes, and we're going to do a curved line. Then we're going to come down as a diagonal, and then come back up almost like a triangle. I'm going to add two little black dots right inside there. Okay, now for the mouth. We need to make this lion look ferocious. So it's going to have a big open mouth. So we're going to start with a big smile first. Okay, and then we're going to round it off on the one side. And we're going to round it off on the other side. And then we're going to connect them. Big open mouth. But a lion has sharp teeth, so let's get those in there. There we go. What's the lion missing? Its mane. That's right. So we're going to make the mane look like it's flowing a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to start up here, and all I'm going to do is come up. And notice it's going to kind of curve around. It's going to kind of jump back in, almost like a zigzag line. And it's kind of flowing all the way around the lion's head, however you think your lion mane should be. Alright. Alright, there it is. There's our lion. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot one thing with the lion. I forgot that I like to add eyebrows on our things. But you can add eyelashes if you like. But I'm going to add eyebrows. So I'm going to make it kind of look like it's angry a little bit. All right. Now it's time to color. You can color with whatever you have. All right. So let's get going. Alright guys, our lion head is done. It looks fantastic. I hope you had fun drawing it. Alright, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like, share with your friends. And we cannot wait to see you next time. Alright, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.